like, back in my day, we didn't have all this technology. Back in my day, we had to do this and that, blah, blah, blah. And I am a boomer. We had to read comic books and library books. My males and sumers are like, boy, shut the fuck up. We don't care what you like. Right away. Yeah, boomer. Okay, boomer. Okay. Let's do some libraries out there. Okay, boomer. Yeah, boomer. Yeah, boomer. Okay, boomer. Back in my day, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, boomer. Alright. Bye-bye. Bye, boomer. Bye. Look, all kidding aside, respect your elderlies, alright? Respect your elderlies, alright? Good.